Hello, the information you're about to hear in this video has been prepared based on the patient information leaflet, package insert, of Sudafed Tablet. If you find this video helpful, please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. General information about the medicine Sudafed belongs to the respiratory system medicines group. It is a systemic nasal decongestant, which helps relieve nasal congestion. Sudafed is available in blister packs containing 30 tablets. The active ingredient of Sudafed is pseudoephedrine. Each tablet contains 60 milligrams of pseudoephedrine. You can find the complete list of inactive ingredients at the end of this video. What is Sudafed and what is it used for? Sudafed helps relieve nasal congestion by reducing swelling of the nasal lining. It is used to relieve nasal congestion associated with allergic rhinitis, vasomotor rhinitis, the common cold, influenza, and other upper respiratory tract infections. By opening the nasal passages, it helps you breathe more comfortably. However, it does not treat the underlying cause of the illness. It only helps relieve the symptoms. How to use Sudafed? Always use Sudafed exactly as directed by your doctor or pharmacist, unless your doctor tells you otherwise. Adults and children, 12 years of age and older, should take 1 tablet 3 or 4 times daily. The maximum daily dose is 4 tablets. Children 6 to 11 years of age should take half a tablet 3 or 4 times daily. The maximum daily dose is 2 tablets. The tablet form is not suitable for children under 6 years of age. A syrup formulation is recommended for this age group. Swallow the tablets whole with a sufficient amount of water. Do not chew them. Do not exceed the recommended dose. If you take more Sudafed than recommended, contact your doctor or the nearest healthcare facility immediately. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. Before using Sudafed, important warnings and precautions. Do not use Sudafed if you are allergic to pseudoephedrine, any of the ingredients in this medicine, or similar medications. Do not use this medicine if you have severe high blood pressure or severe coronary artery disease. Do not take Sudafed if you have used antidepressants known as MAO inhibitors within the last 14 days. Consult your doctor before using Sudafed if you have high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, thyroid disease, glaucoma, an enlarged prostate, kidney disease, or liver disease. If you are pregnant, planning to become pregnant, or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medicine. If you experience dizziness or similar side effects, do not drive or operate machinery. Possible side effects. Like all medicines, Sudafed may cause side effects, although not everybody gets them. Stop taking Sudafed immediately and seek emergency medical attention if you develop signs of a serious allergic reaction, such as swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat, difficulty breathing, or a widespread skin rash. The most commonly reported side effects include insomnia, nervousness, restlessness, headache, dizziness, dry mouth, palpitations. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share your experiences and opinions about this medication in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we wish you good health.